Hello everyone, welcome to my channel vincentsculinaryarts. I am Chef Vincent and this is my first video on YouTube. Today I am going to show you some simple and easy garnishing techniques which you can use on top of any food dishes and any kind of salad. Okay, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, I am going to show you a tomato roast carving. It is one of my very first carving which I did when I entered the hotel industry. So let's begin. Just peel off the skin like this, tomato skin, then roll it up. So this tomato roast you can use on any kind of food dishes or any kind of salad. Okay, I will show you one more tomato roast carving. To slice the tomato like this way and then you have to lay down all the tomato slices on like this one by one and then again roll it up. One base also for this. And this is my all the tools. If you want to carving like this, you can purchase this kind of tools, this kind of knives. This is simple paring knives, turner knives. Okay, after the tomato roast carving, I am going to show you a cucumber carving, cucumber flower. So see, this flower also looks so beautiful. You can use for the any kind of salad. And now this one I am going to make the simple like lips. So next thing I am going to show you the carrot flower carving, the easy carving. I am showing you. See, it's very easy to make. Anybody can make. And if you want, you can use like this cherry tomato in the middle. Like a tulip flower. This one is carrot leaf. So if you carving like this, you can make one of this, you can make at least 10 pieces of carrot, this leaf. Okay, now I am going to show you some red radish flower. See this, it's very simple. Flower, you have to use this kind of tool. Salad decoration. And one more. This is the scallion, green onion. Also, you can make a simple flower with this. Very, very simple. See this. So guys, these are my first carving and plating display. I hope you all liked it. In my next video, I will bring to you some more creative and complex carvings. For that, you don't forget to like and share my videos and subscribe my channels. Till then, goodbye and take care.